Goan fishermen. Because today Goa and Bombay, because of Bombay tourists, Goa is survived. And please recommend Goa your tourism. That's what it is help for us.
Goa is a tourism place.
Yes, fishermen also.
All tourists
Yeah.
coming here.
I met Deputy CM of Maharashtra on the beach when we're doing fishing. I asked him, sir, because of Bombay tourist and Pune, Goa is survived last year because international war was going on. If we didn't have Bombay, Maharashtra and Bangalore tourists, the Goan tourism will go a little bit down. I said, thank you, send us this year more tourists. And second, I said, Bombay and Goa coast is safe. Please take care of traditional fishermen and other businesses who run guest houses and restaurants. Give them relaxation from central because BJP is run the government in India. So talk to Modi ji and give relaxation so everybody can make their own money and take care of their family. And he promised me he will talk to our Goan CM, take a meeting and do these needful things. Thank you, sir.